Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add an error bars in your column chart or any your chart you want. Here, we create a column chart here. So we add error bars. Click when you click the chart, then the right up corners. Here is a plus. We plus. Here is a chart element. Click here. We check the error bars. Click, then we will got an error bars here, but the error bars was long is one. The value is one. So we double click here. So when you double click, you must be double click here, and you will find its error bars options. So you don't click anything, you just click error bars, then here as error bars options, click here, and you will find here is a custom. So we click here to special values, click OK, specific. Then here is a positive and a negative. So we select the positive error bars area in the tables. So select here and click OK. Then you will got error bars here. So it's an error bar. So if you want to change anything else like a line here, then you can also add error bars. So here error bars is it can change like percentage, mean, minus, plus, whatever you want here at note here. You can change the error bar select and end style. You see yourself. So here's the video. If you have any questions, let me know.